The HC-SR04 Ultrasonic Sensor is a key tool for precise distance measurement. It uses a transmitter and receiver to emit and detect sound waves, measuring distances up to 13 feet. The sensor is safe, effective, and ideal for various projects. The HC-SR04 sensor emits ultrasonic waves that bounce off objects and return. By calculating the time taken for the echo to return, it determines the object's distance. This method is crucial for applications like obstacle avoidance in robotics. Ultrasonic sensors are versatile, used in parking systems, robotics, and liquid-level measurement. They detect objects without contact, making them perfect for security systems and automation. Their ability to measure transparent objects adds to their utility. Integrating the HC-SR04 with an Arduino is straightforward. Connect the trig and echo pins to the Arduino and use the serial monitor to observe readings. This setup allows for accurate distance measurement, enhancing projects like autonomous robots. For optimal performance, ensure the sensor faces smooth surfaces at a slight angle. Consider environmental factors like temperature and humidity, which can affect accuracy. Proper power and connection checks are essential for reliable operation.